You need to watch this if you struggle with core strength. Ready to learn about the dead bug exercise? The dead bug is a beginner-friendly, low-impact core workout you do lying down. It targets your deep core muscles, lower back, hip flexors, and even your shoulders when your arms are extended. Here's how to do the dead bug step by step. Lie on your back on a mat. Raise both arms straight toward the ceiling. Lift your legs so your knees are bent at 90 degrees, thighs vertical. Engage your core by pressing your lower back into the floor. Slowly extend your right arm and left leg toward the ground. Keep them just above the floor. Return to the starting position, then repeat with the opposite arm and leg. The dead bug builds strong core stability and protects your lower back. It's perfect for beginners and physical therapy. Plus, it improves coordination and movement control. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, share it with your workout buddies, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and exercises. Let's crush those goals together. Stay strong and see you in the next video.